regulator section. The 5V and 3V main regulator. First problem is laptop not power on both the AC adapter mode and battery power mode. The final problem was when laptop is in dead condition means the fan are not rotate and the power LED are not glow. Next we are going to see about the Dell Inspiron laptop motherboard N5010. For this circuit we are going to see about the schematic diagram of 5V and 3V regulated power supply. This is laptop motherboard architecture. In the right side we are seeing is a system DC-DC. That means system voltage or 5V 3V regulated power supply. So this is IC-PU4601, 5V 3V regulated power IC, and the IC number mentioned here as RT8205B. As shown in the diagram, IC number PU4601. So this is 5V and 3V regulated power IC. In this IC there are two various oscillators for checking the different output by using 5V and 3V regulated power supply IC. Each voltage has two N-channel MOSFET. One MOSFET is said to be upper side MOSFET and other is lower side MOSFET. So in this section we are using 4 MOSFETs. Here we are using 2 voltage, so each voltage has 2 MOSFETs. In this IC we are getting 2 outputs, 5V and 3V. In this IC pin number 16, it is mentioned as VIN, which connected through the battery power line, which is mentioned here as power SRC at pin number 16. This IC produces 2 output voltage, that is always power voltage of 3.3V, and this one is 5V always power voltage. This voltage is connected to the Super I/O chip and positive pin power button. So this is called always power. Before checking the 3.3 voltage, let's check the VIN voltage of input power supply in pin number 16. That is said to be a battery power voltage line. If the battery power voltage is in working condition, then the 3.3 voltage is also be in working condition. If the 3.3 voltage is in damaged condition, then this IC is not in working condition. If 3.3 voltage is in working condition means check these IC's MOSFET gate voltage PU4605 and see here in the schematic this lower MOSFET 5V section. Here it is mentioned as 5V. In this section we are using 4 MOSFETs. This IC maintains 2 voltage, that is 5V and 3V, and each voltage has 2 N-channel MOSFET. Both this MOSFET is connected in series. Upper side MOSFET PU4603, and look at the circuit image. This is MOSFET PU4603, that is in upper side. This upper side MOSFET drain pin 5, 6, 7 and 8 connected to the battery line, and in the schematic mentioned as power SRC. Upper MOSFET source is connected to the lower drain, that is PU4605, and also look at the 5V section circuit, a lower MOSFET PU4605. This lower MOSFET drain is connected to the output voltage inductor coil PL4602, and then it is connected to the output capacitor PTC4603. And this upper side PU4603, the pin number 4 is mentioned here as gate, and this gate pin is connected the IC pin number 21 as mentioned as U gate 1. This is an output voltage for 5 volt regulated power supply section, and it is mentioned as driver higher to connect the upper side MOSFET gate. After receiving the gate signal, this MOSFET acts as regulator, and this upper MOSFET drain is connected to the battery line power SRC, and this 5 voltage is connected to the lower MOSFET PU4605. This lower MOSFET gate pin number 4 is connected to the IC pin number 19, mentioned as L gate 1. It is an driver lower. After receiving the drive gate signal, then the lower MOSFET acts as regulated 5 volt switching voltage. It was next connected with the inductor coil PL4602, and next it was connected filter coil capacitor PTC4603 and PTC4604. This PU4605 lower MOSFET is default connected the source pin to ground, that is otherwise called as negative pin, and this is another one output section, that is output 2, mentioned as Vout2, and this section also we are using 2 N-channel MOSFET. This is upper side MOSFET PU4602. The drain pin is connected to the battery line power SRC. This MOSFET gate is connected to the IC pin number 10, and it is mentioned as U gate 2. After receiving the gate signal, this PU4602 acts as regulator, and this battery voltage is connected as 3 volt in the source pin, and this source pin is connected to the another MOSFET's drain, that is PU4604, and this MOSFET gate connects the IC pin number 12. It is mentioned as L gate 2, that is low gate drive signal. After receiving the low gate drive signal to PU4604 MOSFET, then this MOSFET acts as switching, and output of this MOSFET is connected to the inductor coil PL4601, and also the inductor connects to the output filter capacitor PTC4602. So this is 3 volt output section, and the lower MOSFET PU4604 source pin number 1, 2, 3 that connects to the ground. This is 5 volt output section of plus 5 volt. And this is an output voltage coil PL4602 for 5 volt output section. And this is an output voltage coil PL4601 for 3 volt output section. Now we are going to check the upper MOSFET drain voltage of PU4603 and battery power voltage power SRC. If MOSFET drain voltage is in working condition means, then check the gate voltage. If the gate voltage is absent means, then the IC is in faulty condition. If the IC is in faulty means this MOSFET is not functioning. If this MOSFET is not working condition means the fan controller is in off state. Gate voltage is in working condition means, then check the drain voltage. If the drain voltage has no value means, then check the MOSFET short continuity. If the gate voltage have no problem means, then check the drain voltage. It has no value means, check the MOSFET short. If the MOSFET is short, the laptop will never turn on. Before checking this upper MOSFET drain voltage and power SRC, battery voltage all are in working condition means, then check these IC's operating voltage Vin at pin number 16. Here the power SRC battery voltage is in working condition. When we switch on the circuit, it will produce power good output signal. At pin number 23, it is mentioned as 3 volt 5 volt power OK signal, and this signal goes to Super I/O chip. You can see it in the page number 37. If the Super I/O chip is get damaged means the laptop will not power on. This IC generates the always power 3.3 volt always and 5 volt always at pin number 17. And 8, it is mentioned as V regulator 3 and V regulator 5 without processing the power button. This IC will produce always power. This always power voltage goes to Super I/O chip and positive power button. If this voltage is absent, then check the operating voltage at pin number 16 Vin. When this Vin voltage is in working condition, but this 3.3 voltage is absent means then the IC is in faulty condition. That is, PU4601 is not in working condition. If this IC is in faulty condition means then the laptop will not power on, adapter and battery mode, and also the fan controller gets switched off.